Keto has become a popular diet in recent years, with many people touting its benefits for weight loss, improved energy levels, and more. However, there's another side to the keto diet that is often overlooked: the potential risks and dangers it poses to your health. In this video, we'll explore some of the most significant risks associated with the keto diet and why it's important to approach this diet with extreme caution. Serious muscle loss. When you start the keto diet, your body may experience a shift in its primary source of fuel from carbohydrates to fats. This can cause the body to break down muscle tissue to release amino acids that can be converted into glucose to provide energy. However, this muscle breakdown is often temporary and usually occurs only in the early stages of the diet. Additionally, if you are not consuming enough protein on the keto diet, your body may not have the amino acids it needs to maintain muscle mass. Therefore, it is important to make sure that you are consuming enough protein to support muscle maintenance and repair. One study, which appeared in the March 2018 issue of Sports, found that participants who followed the keto diet for 3 months lost almost the same amount of body fat and experienced roughly the same changes in their muscle mass as those who followed conventional diets. Yet people on the keto diet did lose more muscle in their legs. To minimize muscle loss on the keto diet, it is important to consume enough protein and engage in regular resistance training to stimulate muscle growth and maintenance. It is also important to work with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian to create a balanced and sustainable meal plan that meets your nutritional needs while following the principles of the keto diet. Keto can put stress on the kidneys and may give you kidney stones. The keto diet is a high-fat, low-carbohydrate diet that can cause changes in the body's metabolism and lead to an increase in the production of ketones, which can put a strain on the kidneys. This can be a concern for people with pre-existing kidney problems or those who are at risk of developing kidney disease. In some cases, the keto diet can increase the risk of kidney stones due to its high protein content, which can increase the levels of uric acid and calcium in the urine. However, this is not a common occurrence and can usually be prevented by staying hydrated and consuming adequate amounts of fiber. If you have pre-existing kidney problems, it is important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting the keto diet to determine if it is safe for you. Additionally, if you experience any symptoms such as decreased urine output, swelling, or pain in your back or sides, you should seek medical attention immediately. Keto for diabetics may be risky due to the potential for low blood sugar. The keto diet may be beneficial for people with type 2 diabetes, as it can help improve blood sugar control and reduce the need for diabetes medications. However, it may be risky for some people with diabetes, particularly those who take insulin or other glucose-lowering medications. When you follow the keto diet, your body produces ketones for energy instead of glucose. This can help lower blood sugar levels, which can be beneficial for people with diabetes. However, if you are taking insulin or other glucose-lowering medications, you may need to adjust your dosage to avoid hypoglycemia, low blood sugar. Additionally, the keto diet can cause a rapid reduction in blood sugar levels, which can cause symptoms such as dizziness, confusion, and fatigue. This can be particularly dangerous for people with diabetes who are already at risk of hypoglycemia. Therefore, it is important for people with diabetes to consult with a healthcare professional before starting the keto diet. A healthcare professional can help determine if the diet is safe for you and provide guidance on how to adjust your medications and monitor your blood sugar levels while following the diet. Additionally, regular blood sugar monitoring and working with a dietitian can help ensure that you are following a safe and effective meal plan that meets your nutritional needs. Dehydration and electrolyte loss are possible side effects of the ketogenic diet. The ketogenic diet involves limiting carbohydrates and increasing fat intake, which causes the body to produce ketones instead of glucose for energy. This can result in increased water loss through urine, which can contribute to dehydration if not enough fluids are consumed. Additionally, when you follow the ketogenic diet, your body may excrete more electrolytes, such as sodium, potassium, and magnesium, through urine. This can lead to an electrolyte imbalance, which can cause symptoms such as muscle cramps, fatigue, and dizziness. To prevent dehydration and electrolyte loss on the ketogenic diet, It is important to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of fluids, especially water, throughout the day. Additionally, you may need to increase your intake of electrolytes through foods such as leafy greens, nuts, and seeds, or by using an electrolyte supplement. It is also important to monitor your symptoms and talk to a healthcare professional if you experience any concerning symptoms, such as severe muscle cramps or dizziness, as they may indicate an electrolyte imbalance. The keto diet strictly restricts carbs, which may lead to nutritional deficiencies. The keto diet restricts carbohydrates and encourages high-fat and moderate protein intake. While the diet can be healthy and nutrient-dense when properly planned, it is possible to develop nutrient deficiencies if the diet is not well-balanced and varied. Carbohydrates are an important source of many vitamins and minerals, including B vitamins, vitamin C, and potassium, among others. When you severely limit carbohydrates on the keto diet, you may not consume enough of these nutrients, which can lead to deficiencies over time. Additionally, some foods that are restricted on the keto diet, such as fruits and starchy vegetables, are important sources of fiber, which can help support digestive health and reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and certain types of cancer. To prevent nutrient deficiencies on the keto diet, it is important to consume a variety of nutrient-dense foods, including non-starchy vegetables, healthy fats, and high-quality sources of protein. You may also need to supplement with certain vitamins and minerals, such as magnesium, potassium, and B vitamins, to ensure that you are meeting your nutritional needs. Working with a registered dietitian can also help you create a well-balanced meal plan that meets your nutritional needs while still allowing you to follow the keto diet. Constipation and other gastrointestinal issues are common on the keto diet. The keto diet involves restricting carbohydrates and increasing fat intake, which can cause changes in the gut microbiome and slow down digestion. Additionally, the diet can be low in fiber, which can contribute to constipation and other digestive issues. To prevent constipation and other gastrointestinal issues on the keto diet, it is important to consume a variety of high-fiber foods, including non-starchy vegetables, nuts, seeds, and low-carbohydrate fruits, such as berries. You may also want to consider taking a fiber supplement, such as psyllium husk or chia seeds, to help support regular bowel movements. It is also important to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of fluids, especially water, throughout the day, as dehydration can contribute to constipation. Additionally, you may need to increase your intake of electrolytes, such as sodium, potassium, and magnesium, to help support digestion and prevent other symptoms such as muscle cramps. If you experience severe or persistent gastrointestinal symptoms on the keto diet, such as abdominal pain or diarrhea, it is important to talk to a healthcare professional as these symptoms may indicate an underlying medical condition. Keto may cause a drop in blood sodium levels. A keto diet can cause a drop in blood sodium levels, a condition known as hyponatremia. When you follow the keto diet, your body may excrete more sodium through urine, which can contribute to a decrease in blood sodium levels. Additionally, the keto diet can be low in sodium, as many high-sodium foods such as processed snacks and condiments are restricted on the diet. Hyponatremia can cause symptoms such as headache, nausea, vomiting, and confusion, among others. In severe cases, it can lead to seizures, coma, or even death. To prevent hyponatremia on the keto diet, it is important to consume adequate amounts of sodium, either through high-sodium foods such as olives, pickles, and salted nuts, or by adding salt to your meals. You may also need to supplement with electrolytes such as sodium, potassium, and magnesium to help prevent an electrolyte imbalance. Additionally, it is important to monitor your symptoms and talk to a healthcare professional if you experience any concerning symptoms, as hyponatremia can be a serious medical condition. Keto may increase your risk of heart disease and high cholesterol. The keto diet is high in saturated fat, which can increase LDL cholesterol levels in some people. LDL cholesterol is often referred to as bad cholesterol because high levels of it can contribute to the development of heart disease. Some studies have shown that following a high-fat, low-carbohydrate diet, like the keto diet, can increase LDL cholesterol levels in some people, although the results are mixed. Additionally, the keto diet can lead to weight loss, which can be beneficial for heart health. However, rapid weight loss can also cause changes in cholesterol levels, including an increase in LDL cholesterol in some people. To minimize the risk of heart disease and high cholesterol on the keto diet, it is important to focus on consuming healthy sources of fat, such as avocado, nuts, seeds, and olive oil, and to limit your intake of saturated fat from sources such as red meat and high-fat dairy products. Additionally, it is important to monitor your cholesterol levels regularly and to talk to a healthcare professional if you have a history of high cholesterol or heart disease. Changes in your period are possible while on the keto diet. The keto diet can affect hormonal balance in the body, which can impact the menstrual cycle. Specifically, the diet can lead to a decrease in insulin levels, which can impact the production of sex hormones like estrogen and progesterone, which are involved in regulating the menstrual cycle. Additionally, rapid weight loss associated with the keto diet can also impact menstrual cycles. Sudden weight loss can cause changes in the levels of hormones like leptin and cortisol, which can affect the menstrual cycle. If you experience changes in your menstrual cycle while on the keto diet, it is important to talk to a healthcare professional. They can help determine if the changes are related to the diet or if there may be an underlying medical condition that needs to be addressed. Additionally, they can provide guidance on how to manage these changes and whether the keto diet is still appropriate for you. Bad breath. One of the potential risks associated with the keto diet is bad breath, often described as a fruity or metallic taste in the mouth. This is known as keto breath and is caused by the breakdown of fat in the body, which produces ketones that can be released through the breath. Normally, the body uses carbohydrates as its primary source of energy. However, when you follow the keto diet, you drastically reduce your carbohydrate intake and increase your intake of fat. This forces the body to switch to burning fat for fuel, a process called ketosis. As the body breaks down fat for fuel, it produces ketones, which can be detected in the breath. Ketones have a strong, distinct smell that some people describe as fruity or metallic. This odor can be especially noticeable when someone is speaking or breathing heavily. Last but not least, social isolation. One of the potential risks associated with the keto diet is social isolation. The keto diet can be difficult to maintain in social situations, as many social events revolve around food that may not be allowed on the diet. This can lead to social isolation and feelings of exclusion. The keto diet restricts certain food groups, including carbohydrates, which can make it challenging to find suitable options when eating out or attending social events. For example, many restaurant meals and party foods are high in carbs and may not be allowed on the diet. Additionally, alcohol, which is often consumed at social events, is typically high in carbs and may not be allowed on the diet. For people who follow the keto diet, this can make social situations challenging and may lead to feelings of exclusion or social isolation. It can be difficult to enjoy social events when you can't partake in the same foods and drinks as everyone else. To manage social isolation on the keto diet, there are a few things you can try. 1. Plan ahead. If you know you'll be attending a social event, plan ahead and bring your own keto-friendly snacks or meals. This can help ensure that you have something to eat and reduce feelings of exclusion. 2. Communicate with others. Let your friends and family know about your dietary restrictions and ask for their support. They may be willing to make accommodations or offer suggestions for keto-friendly options. 3. Find alternative social activities. If social events revolving around food are difficult, consider finding alternative activities that don't center around food. For example, you could suggest going for a walk or seeing a movie with friends instead. As you've seen in this video, the keto diet comes with risks that should not be ignored. While it may work for some people, it's important to weigh the potential benefits against the potential harm. Before embarking on any diet or lifestyle change, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional. I would love to hear your thoughts and experiences with the keto diet. Have you tried it before? Did you experience any negative side effects? Let's start a conversation in the comments below and help each other make informed decisions about our health.